Hello everyone, today I will show you how to increase or decrease table area in Google Docs. First open your docs file in Google Docs. Now I will increase or decrease this table. Select whole table and click right button. Here we will find this table properties. Here you can see column area is already changing and increase and, and also you can here says row area. This is and another way you can increase or decrease row and column area. Simply increase on row area and select whole table and select distribute row. This row column already adjusted and increase column area and select this table and select right and distribute columns. Yeah, in this way you can increase or decrease table area. Suppose I will decrease this table area. Yeah, this is and select and click right button, distribute column. Yeah, this is and row, select here, distribute row. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.